And this is my crib.
Would you like to give us a tour?
Yeah, this is where the master hangs onto. No, I'm just kidding. Different points of actually attaching stuff. This is really nice. It smells like, you guys ever been on a water ride at Universal? It's very moist. It smells like it in here. It's kind of bad. Well, let's get to it.
Right, it is Sunday evening, probably about 4:30, and we're still moving. I mean, nothing's really changed, but we've been doing this for probably like 2 weekends now.
Yes. I'm taking off this wall mount for the TV. I came up with this design myself. See, there's a conduit for the wires for the speakers that I had out here.
Because we don't like wires showing.
Yeah, it's not cool looking, honestly, you know. So I did all that, I made it happen, and I'm just wondering that what the next buyer is going to see when he sees all these holes. He's like, what is going on here?
Yeah, this actually used to be a big hole, and Steven put drywall, and he made a little hole there so you could put the wires going through for the TV. Yeah, I framed it and then I drywalled it, yep. Yeah, so it was awesome because we wouldn't have been able to put our TV over there like that, so.
All right, moment of truth.
Ola Bonecas. Today is Friday, October 15th. I wanted to give you a quick update. We have all these boxes that were in the guest room stored. They are now down here ready to be put in the pod, but we have to do it in an organized way so that all our stuff's gonna be able to fit. Our closing is still not confirmed yet, which is kind of frustrating because we don't really know what to pack. But this is real life, and I wanted to put it, you know, in the vlog. I'm gonna take you upstairs and show you our moving setup. Little setup that we have over here.
Oh, the setup?
Yes.
Well, the setup is just, I don't break my back. But it does look like an overkill. Let's see. I'm just trying to protect stuff. You know, we work hard for our things, so.
So in here, we got our packing supplies. We got boxes, and we're making sure everything's protected. Ola Bonecas. It is Monday today, October 19th, and Steven went to work today. My brother is here from Florida to help us with the move, and baby is sleeping. So I wanted to take advantage of this time to clean the kitchen. So today I wanted to clean things up a bit, and also start the process of the moving clean for the new owners that are going to be doing the walkthrough soon. So I want to make sure to leave the house nice and clean for them. I would like to thank Barkeeper's Friend for sponsoring this portion of today's video, and I'm going to be using some of these products to clean the house today. The cleanser, the cooktop cleaner for my induction, which looks so bad. The soft cleanser, which is one of my favorites. I use this on my sink all the time. We're gonna use the stainless steel cleaner and polish for the refrigerator and the dishwasher, and then the granite and stone cleaner for the marble. I'm gonna put like my cleaning products on this little cart. I got this at Target and I love it. And we're gonna put these products to the test, cleaning the house for the moving clean. Also keep in mind some of the items I wanted to make sure that I let them get nice and dirty so you could actually see how this works. So let me show you something. Don't judge, but this is my dishwasher right now. I never let it get like this. I always clean it, but I wanted to test it out to see how well it works. So we're gonna give this a try today. using the Barkeeper's Friend multi-purpose cooktop cleaner. And in the back here, it actually says that you should leave it on here for some time. And to shake well, squeeze a small amount directly onto the surface or on a damp sponge and rub gently. So I'm gonna go shake it, and we're gonna put a little bit on this. I'm gonna go get my sponge, kind of rub it around and let it stay on for some time. And this cooktop cleaner is specifically good for induction, and this is an induction cooktop. So we're gonna make it nice and clean. We're gonna allow it to stay here for some time. Okay, so I'm gonna use the stainless steel cleaner and polish with the stainless steel microfiber towel. Have it over here. So the side one traps and lifts dirt and oil, and then side two polish the surface. I'm gonna use this first side. We're gonna shake it. I'm gonna spray it. And you could see it automatically starts to give it a really, really nice shine. Look at that. Wow, that's really shiny. Okay, and then we're gonna polish it up. And I know that I use it on this and that's not stainless steel, but it's still cleaning it really nicely. Cameraman, what do you think?
Good.
All right, now we're gonna go and try this on the refrigerator. Wow, that is very shiny. All right, let's get a little before on the refrigerator. You can see it's got some marks all around here. The surface, for best results, use a soft, lint-free cloth or microfiber towel. Wipe in the direction of the grain. I'm gonna use this side first. All right, so now that I've cleaned it, we're gonna go in and polish. Leaving it very nice and shiny, I can tell you that right from just testing this out. When I was using this, you couldn't really see that shine, but with this side you can. Okay, so it's been a couple minutes, and we are going to remove this. Wow, look at that shine. Let's see if I can turn on the light here. There you go. See it a little better. That is impressive. I'm gonna go in with a microfiber towel and just wipe it. I mean, just zoom in on that shine. It's like a mirror. Haven't seen it this clean in a long time.
Wow.
It's sparkling.
Well, you can see the reflection of the...
Yeah. I'm gonna use spray and foam cleaner. And it's like a foam. So I'm just gonna spray. That instantly, I don't know if you saw that, that instantly looks whiter. Removed it right away with no problems. I had like these reddish tomato sauce stains on the backsplash. Now it's time to clean the marble. I'm going to use the granite and stone cleaner and polish. So this works really well on marble, and I've tried it before. Just using the microfiber towel from Barkeepers. And I'm going to use this side to kind of scrape off all the grime. I'm going to use the other side for the polishing. It is almost 11 p.m. Here is what our container is looking for. It is almost full. We still have a lot of room, but I can't believe tomorrow morning they're coming to pick it up and take it to the new house. It's really exciting. The pod has arrived. We have a driveway and we have power to the house. Yay! We are doing our walkthrough, placing tape on all the little paint fixes that have to get done, little scuffs and things like that, which is, I guess, just part of a new construction build. Does it not want to work?
Man, what? How is this possible?